Have you ever heard of ClickBank?
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can earn an extra $1,000 to $2,000 every single month with ClickBank.
No? So what ClickBank is a specific company that you're going to hear about if you're looking through side hustles and you happen to pop up on affiliate marketing. So if you've seen the people talking about, look, this is how you can make $1,000 a day working online. If you've ran across some of the internet marketers, or if you're like me and you've taken some of the courses, you've run across the company called ClickBank. And in your mind, you're like, well, they host products and then they pay out commissions and then they even let you sort based on your niche. You in the fitness lane, they got fitness products. Automotive, they got them for you. I'm talking about all the way down to spirituality, economic testing, and everything. They got what you need on ClickBank. But I start actually clicking on the websites of, let's say, the weight loss pill that they have on there and saying, man, this website looks sketchy as hell. Boy, let me click on here and see what they're talking about. And what you realize is ClickBank hosts a bunch of low budget products for you to sell and make a commission. So the odds of you making a residual income or even getting paid ever again on the customer that you paid to attract in the first place is 0 out of 10. And now I'll tell you why.
Hey guys, this is Michael coming at you with a new top offers video that's a little different. We're focusing on offers that perform well with YouTube ads. Yes, just YouTube.
When you start making money online through affiliate marketing, the whole goal is to get commissions. And to get commissions, you need to have a large amount of people, breaking it down very simply for you, a large amount of people see what you have to offer. They see your video, they see your blog posts, they see your ad on YouTube. Large amount of people. A slightly smaller amount of those people click on the link that you have to offer. They click it to see, I'm interested in losing weight, 7 pounds in 7 days. I'll take that pill. Boom, they click it. And then they're led to what's usually your capture page. And the reason why is because most companies like Digistore24 and ClickBank have literally been banned from posting their your affiliate link. You're banned from posting it almost everywhere. So you have to use a capture page, which is a smaller amount of people. Say, hey, I want to give you my email, give you my phone number, and then I want to get the information that you're promising to offer me. Even smaller amount of people go through what that's called a funnel. They go through the funnel and then buy the product. All of the people that you're losing on the top side of the funnel never return. And the people that you do get to actually purchase the product is so low budget that they're never going to trust you or purchase from you again. So I have to ask, when the marketers are recommending ClickBank as a good way to make money online, is it short term or is it long term? Because from what I've seen, ClickBank is the equivalent of where I'm from called hitting a lick. Yes, you could hype up the product and make it sound real good and you could sell 100 of them, you get 20 refunds and then you keep the 80 sales and then you do it all again. You now have no trust with the people that bought the product from you the first time. You have literally ruined your reputation. As soon as they buy, what if something spammy happens with their credit card? That ain't your problem, it ain't your concern, right? Wrong. That's your customer, your face. Even if you didn't use your face and it was a faceless YouTube channel that you created to create the funnel and they never seen you, it's your reputation, your brand, the company name that you created that's going to suffer because you sent people to a low budget platform. In my opinion, in ranking of side hustles, affiliate marketing is close to the top when it comes to the best side hustles that you should participate in, but be very wary of companies like Digistore24 and ClickBank when you're starting off your affiliate marketing journey. I know a lot of the other companies like Amazon only pay pennies, and then you have the people that do pay a lot, and their products are absolutely trash. I personally have found companies that have high quality products and offer high amounts of commissions. So then it's just going about building an audience and doing it ethically. So do your homework, and please, please, please do not jump into this game and just start promoting products before you go through their website. Go through the website. Go before you build the funnel and you pay to host it and the emails and all of the stuff. Before you spend one red penny, go to ClickBank. You can sign up on ClickBank for free. You can look through the products, hit those websites, and then you judge for yourself. If you were on the other end, would you pull out your wallet and pay for anything that you see? Because I wouldn't, and I wouldn't recommend anybody else do anything like that either. All right. That being said, we out. We'll see you guys next week. And y'all thought we was gone, huh? Nope, we ain't gone. Listen, I'm going to be bringing you side hustle videos every Friday from here on out. Get more consistent with y'all. So, like, share, and continue to subscribe. Let's get this party started, baby.
Better. I remember when that hunger left me. Remember when it